So we're about to do our labels for our soaps, and this is how I kind of want it to be. This is our goal for the soap label. So we have this all around the soap. This is our lavender soap, and the tools that we have are, wait for it, oh, this lavender soap looks so good though, and it smells great. This is my little table thing, not these. Second, we're gonna use this thick paper. That's what I used. That's what we have around there, and we'll use this cutter to cut the labels into the shape that we want. I got this from Amazon. It was really cool price. Then we're gonna use Canva to do a label, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'll show you guys the finished result. I'll show you where how I'm working on it, the progress, and then when I'm done. We're creating our Canva account, and we're almost done. We're gonna go to labels right here. So we're gonna resize this. I already resized it to my label size. So it's 2 inches height and 10 inches width. So we're gonna go ahead and rearrange these because I still want these like towards the end. Kind of goes with my anyway, you get the gist. I'm gonna go ahead and complete that, and then I'll show you guys. Torn between these two colors for my activated charcoal. So I have the blue one. That's how it would look, and then I have this very settled color. I don't even know what it's called. It's not quite white. It's like a beige. Yeah, so I'll see which one I could use for this. They all look great because it has peppermint and tea tree. I wanted to use the blue to showcase the freshness and the bright. Just use this green one. You know what? I'm gonna use this green one. So let's see how it looks. Got our printer ready. We're gonna print. So all right guys, so we went to our Google Docs, and we're gonna print it from here. Guys, this is the final look. I don't know if I like it in colors because it's a green paper. So let me try to print it in black and white and see how it looks. I guess I like it in colors. See? Let's see the difference. Yeah, I guess I like it in colors. The colors didn't really print out well. I'm gonna redo the label in black and white so it can print out better on the colored sheets. Yeah, we're gonna redo this and hopefully it goes well. Here's the black and white, and I don't like the green, so I'm gonna go with the blue. I really love this blue, so let's see how it turns out. Oh, look at this. This is so much better. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. I love the black and white. Yeah, I love the black and white. And you can see my logo over there. And this is the activated charcoal with tea tree and peppermint essential oil. Let me compare them. Let me give you a comparison on how it looks compared to the white, to the green. This is the blue on black and white. I love the roses. It goes with my name. And this is the green. Ugh, it looks so ugly, right? Yeah, I like the blue so much better. Now I'm gonna cut it and then put it on one soap and show you guys how it looks. And that'll be the end, because the remaining soaps I'm gonna do the same thing. You guys already seen it, so yeah.